So, my wife just finished these beautiful customs, and look at the resemblance. Hey, Stilly. Castile. So, look at that work. It's pretty. Good job, baby. Let me see the other side.
All right.
Hey, Stilly, you're up on the table. That's not good. They look good, baby. I like them. Good job on the laces, too. That's a good pick. Let me see the other shoe. Alright, and look, we got the poodle here. These are going to be her dog show and 4-H shoes.
She is currently getting ready for a show.
We don't have the poodle here at the moment, but we do have a poodle. Good job, baby. They look good. Good work, Hot Mama. Alright, that's what we got. Anybody else want a pair? Let us know.